In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print borderless in Word. Change margins in Word. By the end, you'll know how to set your page so artwork or color reaches the very edge, and how to adjust margins correctly so your document prints exactly as you expect. First, a quick note on what borderless means. Borderless, or full bleed, printing lets ink extend to the edge of the paper. Not all printers support this on every paper size, so it's important to check your printer's capabilities. If your printer doesn't offer borderless for the size you're using, Word will enforce a minimum margin, and you'll see a thin white edge. If that happens, try a supported size or enable borderless in the printer's own settings, which I'll show in a moment. Open your document in Word and select the Layout tab. Click Margins, then Custom Margins. In the Page Setup window, set the top, bottom, left, and right margins to 0, or to the smallest number your printer allows. Word may warn that the margins are outside the printable area. If your printer supports borderless for your chosen size, you can proceed. If not, Word will snap them to the minimum it can print, and you'll need to enable borderless in the printer preferences during printing. Still in the Layout tab, choose Size and select the exact paper size you're loading. Matching the document size to the paper size is essential for true edge-to-edge results. If you're printing photos, pick the precise photo size. If you're using letter or A4, select that here. Now go to File and then Print. Pick your printer and open Printer Properties or Preferences. Look for a setting called Borderless, Edge-to-Edge, or Full Bleed, and turn it on for the paper size you selected. Some printers include a borderless expansion slider. Increasing it slightly can eliminate hairline white edges, but it may crop content at the edges, so keep critical text at least a little inside the page. Check the print preview in Word. You should see color or background extending to the edges. If you still notice white borders, confirm that the paper size, borderless setting, and scaling are aligned. Keep scaling at 100% if your document size already matches the paper. If you're using page borders or shapes that must reach the edge, open Design, choose Page Borders, click Options, and set Measure from to Page Wedge so decorative elements can extend fully when supported. Print a test on plain paper before using premium stock. If your printer doesn't support borderless for your size, consider a supported size, a different printer setting, or exporting to PDF for a print service that offers full bleed.